Wouldn't have stepped into a gym without you. Not confident enough. Well, I'm very shy. I'd just get on a treadmill and think that that was enough to lose some weight, but it's not. I'd go for a walk, but not enough to actually lose any weight. My confidence has grown massively since coming to you, and I feel so much happier in everyday life. I'm just happier in general. I've managed to lose a massive 5 kilos. It's massive. What a confidence boost for it to happen, and it didn't feel so hard. And I'm going to carry on. My work uniform is too big. If you've got a confidence issue, anyone that wants to lose a little bit of weight, everyone can get something from this. It's just great. It's just a great feeling, whatever it is. It's just that. Come train with Adam. It makes you feel good.